Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to ungroup the grouped shapes in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to ungroup the grouped shape. At first, select the group shape. We can see here three shapes are grouped. You can resize the shape. The shape automatically says resized all. Now we want to ungroup the group shape. Go to the shape format menu, select the group drop down menu and select ungroup. Now we can see the all shapes is selected individually. You can remove the shape, otherwise resize the shape individually. Now we can see we ungroup the group shape easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.